Alright guys, good afternoon and quick update for today. And today is January 23 and as of 2:54 p.m. So the price moved up from this level to going here, and we are now in all-time high for gold. So last night actually I see this pattern, candlestick pattern, and just for a recap, we are looking for a sell position, but we did not enter because it did not meet our requirements. So we see the 4 hour yesterday that there's a strong push from upside, and we saw also this weak rejection here, and after that weak rejection we see also this consolidation, so see some doji here, so that we're not enter any trade. So we need to observe the price is going, and as we also analyze the chart, we saw this pattern from the 4 hour. It's look like the 4 hour is going to weaken the price. It's almost crossing, but we did not enter because as we see the 1 hour MACD also, the price is going up, right? So during that time, we need to wait for clear direction of the price. So we need to wait and need to observe that both 4 hour and 1 hour should align. So usually if they are not aligned, I don't risk, and we need A plus setup. Alright, so we don't need to hurry just to enter any trade. Okay, so actually we can I also see this yesterday that there's a 15-minute supply here. So if actually I risk 1:1 ratio, I can hit a TP for at least 100 pips. If I risk 1:1 ratio for that level, I can TP as 155 pips, but since we are not that sure and we're looking for a plus setup, then we need to wait, and we need to let go of that. So there's a lot of opportunity, and we need to protect our capital. So, and also last night I also see this. I'm changing my plan to proceed for a buy setup, and actually I see this there's a possible this is a break 15 minute, and also I see this candlestick, this bearish candle, and there's a strong push from outside upward, and it break, and during that time around 10:30 p.m. I'm looking for a pullback to touch this 15-minute dominant break, but unfortunately I'm not able to catch this. I'm not able to catch that opportunity. Yeah, because I'm still unsure, because I'm still in the ranging position. So if I'm looking for the 1 hour, actually is still, for me, is still ranging during that time. So I did not take the trade, and since the MACD is still not giving us the good or clear data, so I need to pass that for some time. All right, so it's okay. So no problem with that. Then we need to just wait. And as of now, the price from 4 hour is now in ranging or consolidating movement. And also, if you see the MACD is weakened, and also if we see here the volume here is going down, there's a divergence from the 4 hour. So possible the price will move downward, but we still need to a confirmation from the lower time frame. So as we see also from the lower time frame, the 1 hour MACD is going to cross. So we need to see if the 1 hour will break this level. So I want to see here that the candlestick will close below that below body. So I'm expecting the price. I want to see a candlestick that below like this, close below the support. All right. So possible that let's see if that will break. So I will just put an alert, and also let's put alert from this level as well, because I also want to see a break from here just in case, and see what the price will do. All right, so for now that will be my monitoring for this price movement for gold, and let's see later what will happen.